Hey everyone and welcome back. Trying to choose between Perplexity, NotebookLM, and Claude in 2026, let me break down what each tool actually does best. Perplexity is an answer engine built for real-time research. When you ask a question, it searches the web and gives you answers with clickable citations so you can verify the source yourself. It pulls live data from news and financial reports, perfect for competitive analysis, fact-checking, and preparing for meetings quickly. Pro subscribers also get access to multiple frontier models through a feature called Model Council. NotebookLM is Google closed source research tool. Think of it as your personal analyst. It only answers based on documents you upload, no outside web search. This means zero AI hallucinations. The response is grounded entirely in your sources. You can upload PDFs, videos, YouTube links, and websites and ask questions or get summaries. It now creates cinematic video, overviews, infographics, and automated slide decks from your materials. Best for studying dense reports or analyzing internal documents without internet noise. Claude excels at writing and reasoning. Claude Opus 4.6 is Anthropic, most powerful model yet. It delivers the highest quality first drafts for long-form content programming and complex analysis. Users report it handles multi-step tasks, autonomously thinks deeper about ambiguous problems, and writes code that runs on the first attempt. It also features a 1 million token context window in beta, meaning it can process massive documents at once. Ideal for generating polished emails, scripts, or code with minimal editing. The smart strategy is not picking one tool but using all three together. Research with Perplexity, verify key claims, then draft with Claude for quality. Use NotebookLM as your internal fact checker against original documents. If this helped you choose, let me know which tool fits your work in the comments. See you in the next one.